And only in one fair hammy, in my vie, and maybe Babao, and many didn't know what if it have Lebanon and Hanije, Aquapo, a Chelebo, none sunny or fair or fair pergy, Wakashida, Nissa Leba, and Hale jacket. Maybe I am a to me one and living a Yama machine. I'm a fool, Negabamene, I'm a tear, maybe, yeah, I may tell me no fair no, but when I been or feel like no new Beloco, so ya walla, a yaffin, no fair no, a gelemi. Wala I need you, walla, a yaffin, no fair no, a gelemi, jacket, mena may a gelemi, no fair no. Simene, I'm a begelemi, no, I'm now fair many days. What's our profit of mine if you gain the whole world and loses his life? Many the others are saying, I'm going to another me, no friend, no one I'm able. No, I can't get on your walla me, and some big buffet. Okay, Shida, Nisale, and Halaban, many other fishes of the righteous. It is God who delivers them out of it all. I can't tell you, I'm a new babao, a fuck, she no more money geo, I make a geomy. No one many one no she obey. Many on no feel like she, Tale it down, we don't know now, I she, Jay Nakani. Many German work a hand, pretty, all her dreams. Over me to the bang, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. What nibe ni wa sheo, what time on nibe ni wa girl, vision. Okay, what's a no need to on my fine? Me to on my lawyer, me to on my doctor, me to on my choneke, me to on big and me to me ake, me share ni ma wo fe, me to on a me shideke. I'm a babamling. Keji wabanye no what domoshipen ake, lele no ni jine, so you should know what it takes to do that. Sali only no ni here. Okay, what's a queer? Me to only blanching a miamo. Kayoka or town no blanching a miamo. None pelo halfeji. Sani only me be in the bottle of blanching a ring. Or to one was a otoniate. Niate no to or no ton, Sanona no leakashi, a chumoning. Nutumoni a chuni yet bay fongiano. She a chuni, a guy she got a dread lenoni, what the way when my child less ebe. Ni amo fair if at a hawo. Neither the chuni a ye she had been who to like a demon to my gago fatai. On a money near yole, no nibi come a cajole your wabiana, make a wagashi, obena bakra, a kaja bear, or libono viale. All our dreams can come true. If we have the courage to pursue them. Kaje waye, no ye na kai kanya mo ni wanye ni what din na kai what dreams are say make a wagashi obena bakra. Lebine Germany someone radio. Wayo ni wakaba hanye ne. Someone radio, your #1 international radio. Ata pawo ewo emba twa nyomai enyoke ete. In Bedil of Cotton Equi, all of it. In Bishop John Imprim, Ete, of Abakano, Koni, Woke, at the future, men and be that no. Ghana, Kamaji Kokuman of ni Wakeba Honey. No, Kaji, Nefi Klalo, Wahoo, Wafi Klalo, Fenini. No, Kikome. You can fight me, but you can never kill me. You can delay me, but you can never stop me. Nakaji bone yole. O wanye no kemia ku. O kemia twa gidi. Si no report no tawo. He will no kemi cha. Oni ne share no kokoko. O wanye ni o fo ni akeshi. O kemi no. Si no more no kemi no o ta won gbele. Igbo nkokoko. Naka no sani ole ake. Nike maja gbeme nimbo ejo ame. No you like many other fishes of the righteous. It is God who delivered them out of it all. Echeloi amane huwe babao nimbo ti mo ni ji ame keji omi. Kikome ekamini Mr. Depan, Rastafari.
Because you're blessing and divine favor come with some point and creator. To the one we down, to the one we down. When things say me there, so them a celebrate. Tell them say we can't wait. Aja guide me. Aja guide me, Aja hold me. Aja hold me, so you can hold me. Kill them to me many times, I'm still there one. More like me, so me know fear Babylon. Step here, gun, you can bring me down. Cause my life is not in your hand. You can delay me, but you can stop me. You can fight me, but you can kill me. Man, me God is so strong. God, me God is so strong. God, me God is so strong. God, me God is so strong. Me lock up with John, I can lock up with a girl. You can't show me nothing, come on a blessed man. Never not try, cause I will better than enough people want to see we in London. The flash like a shot, flow my gun. International, me taking gun, I'm a slogan. Every great man still strong and great. Every bad man got the alja for your people. Them try confuse way, but we concentrate. They want to lose faith, I will faith. You are when you come a bad man, please. Someone alright. Them a go fight me entire. Them can't kill me fire. We a go far and spread empire. Because we believe in Jaja until the bones are rapping. More life for sitting. We no want no killing. We me fire for healing. We know what them feeling. They like them living. Them say them rich, but them don't know about giving. Like that please do something about the reason why the rich can't be poor. Be yourself. Prevention is better than cure. I saw the vibe say. 2015 you want king again. Them feel most when me come back again. Inna them face feel red again. Because God bless you. Them guy. 2015 you want king again. Them feel.
But I don't know gala like no.
Inna them face.
I don't want gala like no. But you keep combe. Keep combe. Me dear pan. Hold on here. I'm going to make confused you. I see what I'm going to try and no go me. No fear no fear. No more here while I need. I may be at the scene. Kawu no one to mo. She make up what I see.
Many times I'm still there one. But like me to me no.
I got what I see many man I make be. And bring hello to her. This time yes to I make be. I see I make be. And she money man be both let low to. And the Susuma let you money be in this and make a be fair. Oh she no one let it jaja. Almighty Selassie the first. Bishop John Imprim.
Oh, la papa.
Rastafari.
Ogabini.
Wagwan super.
Ogabini.
Wagwan super.
Lot of your Latin, your. When the last year you watch up.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. You more drum on our packet. I know me, I show you. No, you don't need bad, but I need to be papa. Can have a call or your me share. But frown and screen's face is it doesn't bring anything. Mon frère Monica book yo e bi obo agashi mini bar ona. Kejo onye no frown onye okwan onye otu onye ganye abi obo aga mini bar ona. Chiko onye ni omo aga ni mini no bi show yin ke. Mini afun no go abolo mini no page no ni yo mi. Yo sani o mi asho mi share mon frère wona akebe no go kokako e be habo. Niko otu onye be oyi areho. Lo lebine no choke e wa ni ma bi fe mi asha mi. We don't know about Wafi Someone Radio, your normal international radio, no. Someone Radio, or now, Someone TV. Mogo Bear. Bishop!
Call up what?
Mene, you more. I back on Pepe, Lady no work a fee or living a walewo, Viemo, Noni penny, AKG. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Bishop.
Call up what?
Young Kerry Bear, I'm on the Kuni, call I read the Quedani, what about me?
Dana de San. Obana can look papa your me Jabreche. Oh, he don't notice, no, there was no bio his son. Okay. No, Jimmy, the minimum what much more on the Buffy. Can you bar Otomomni? Oh, have one circle, Nakanga, would never have book again. Now, woman must look a much more than a coil to move. Oh, no, Jack, oh, yek, any coil back a boy.
Be tough. Tough. Shakiti, Mamu.
But I get Chachi on a get coil Polame.
Yeah.
The law making ya. I'm a Bernard Jimo.
Nothing.
When about me, I may ask you, I got me calling a guy. She take care no.
Yeah.
I made you no conscious.
Nagai.
The trunk at Chachi Poo. I'm a leaning.
Nagai.
Mark Kaji. Ogani halo jibo hejology ya
tatumo no akaseni ya tatumo no akaseni yeah
ebe ebuloko ni boy
nagai
ebe president ebe MP ebe minister ebe osofo ebe moko tatu ke mie na
nyombe
ege bolo ole nga ko ni wodi e abehin ni efi onimo fe oni bu ogbe ma de san oni le shako hi
yeah
ole Kedi balake dry season sheneke ni nubo be shekwe ame to ame fai shaka mato ni san ame wa me kasa ame wa me bu ame o la papa me no be fi o la kedi be shaka nubo ne afi o ha de kula de nche chachu ken na ni nta keke shibwe e hobule bi o nubo ne o la papa to ni higbeji anoto
yeah
the whole season or non-seasoning.
Yeah.
Tattoo to a dini. No be show, no be shako, to a dini, to a dini, Bejamato. She was one of the one tash, the Gatruka, the Kadiko Madina, that while you're shaking, it's a mafia no way, it's a mafia no way. Tabi. I feel like a guy.
Yeah.
It's Hakata, lady Shandy Becker, Yon, Bio Yake, and no like a one day I can wash upon an imbatment. If I had Najin, Nimbe for Najin, Najin Kashi. That you never back of the mobile trackers. Obey me, none of your thing, obey me, obey me, crowd. I assure you, I go again, all of Papa. Onami, Nicole Mokonile, a Sholene, Keke, jealousy, Goshe,
Dole Yomi, jealousy, Dole Yomi,
one of you on our
jealousy, Dole Yomi, jealousy, Dole Yomi.
What do double?
Dondo, call it double.
And you go feel with a double. But not on it left.
Who the car fits? Who the car fits? Dondo.
Let him. Well, you walk a little papa war.
Hallelujah.
She now way. Now walk, get John, get Jenny. Oh, no, before you want to make our cheer.
Come on, Sandivision.
I'm going to decide that I say, Jenny, don't share me. No, don't you mean? Oh, Dom of Lord, Lord, Lenny, buy any tutu, the boy now, second no more, or she can know the more. I found them. Oh, no, it was Hake, what the South Tasno call Yake. enough is enough. When you be the here, close that chapter. Close that chapter and open a new chapter. New chapter of hope, development, transformation. No, yeah, no, he is an open Shinagamma, no, no, Nabago, Minio, Befeno.
Pass and gone.
No, just a child will say, be my God.
A child will say, look, what you Benoya.
She will offer you. Go off on a Jikobi, get off for, go say what to go, what you and again never call, say, what one call say. Men will go say, not anybody well waiting. You want, but don't do your meanness. I'm not too hitting. Coffee in the carton one, ni how long? Jolo. I'm going to go to see a boy you did go when I began to walk bell over the bank when I had been. I was soon I get you. Good like Papa. I go out the Yaga, Bomodo little go, live got attention his salmon song. Anya man, a master, get my woman, no man song. That I've been a happy bed, the bed, all like Papa. That I guess you know. Sama ko be ko ke o ke johi o la baba de baji
enku patapo ba ni ko le mo no go ai sanya nkucha mo no go asha mo le wa to blofo jo mo
be jo to akesha
yo Bishop John Ibrahim much have here share I got top Ghana news headlines for today Monday 14 September 2020 compiled by the Supremo SB Kodu. No more Yapano, ni Wabapotimi. Nibi Nimanete no Ghana manemi. And now over to you, Bishop John Imprim.
Oh, la papa. When le chargien et mi va. When he wale ba. Yake o gropon ke fa na dien sanwo gropon. Le da ne kanyami. E ga nu mo ko e. Na, bodo mo ben bi. Wo ko ka bodo kanyamo bo yi do. Lafialo. He wala ba. She party still a girl no more sumo do you go phone some of agro na ga cake so na ba na gole ke ko ni na ke na ngole to mo ko nili to mo ko ni ke mo ko ni ke basa de mure fa ni atoro la papa Hola papa. Essa que se, essa que papeco. Ei, baba boni wo so ye bi ne wo la papa. E ke hin chon iko. Mi ni sande. E ke nche mi ni chu wo ba chu. Inga ta kai ni. E ke ni bele ne ke ni. Hola papa mi ni sande. E ke kwa sande ko. No. Sande mi wo. Sande mi ji. Mi sande ano kwasani e baachina e kaajumuna e hawo minister false suspect arrested over Professor Bennett's murder police wala bana ni le kasembla e be mlami ne shaye blami ne boye mlami ka ke mla e kasin e kasemono e kasedo bang wala baba ko e wa ko bi ba suku ne ba shayeko ne kasele le ni otubangwe agbede no ni aba diake no ko fun ba be no ne kasele ya ne she eke na gbe ko no ni aba no akegbele akeboko bangwe wala e o la papa inawa bishop o la papa inawa e wo do chanke sane ni bakashi na wa mi ni ji sane o fane o ba bote mi shwa
okay
bonafi ni tuebula la ya sanwan ni abi ode ya bi amena no ni ya no tubang 4 people have been arrested by the police in connection with the murder of law lecturer Professor Yao Bene Ibene neke papa ni me eje ni hebula ni epeame tubang ni tankashi neke be me ni ame
ni fe mo fe twa ke rebule nka me himbe nkwa me din ya me gada bi sanu what do ame they know they get the first suspect are all domestic workers of this scholar the police have said akedege gbe me twene ametuni ni ye neke mbra onupa kaselo na kwawolo na ke kaso ni di chonlo di choni otoba ehia ola papa neke nuni be ni neke chulo ene di choni ye wo ye onaro ni yaba e wona ke police ye edi people ameka me here ka otoba the police have picked up 4 suspects who have come under suspicion in the murder of the law professor in his home at Adjungano. Neke bemene ya Adjungano ni ameje chele ni je papa le ni iwale ngele nagan akuchu ni eyo ni nakanji boni police we kwa ke ishian jemeji heni ema joban. They are currently being interrogated as part of police investigations of all these 4 suspects are domestic workers of the diseased Greater Accra Regional Police PROASP Efia Tenge told Star News. Najak bemene ametuni ya papale weni lene ake hibulu ake anukwale wanta menafiu wombia mesanji ndake nibini wana ya mehie ina wala kame no jimeni amanya amewa wokoni wato osanji mi otobani ji esiatengi eni ASP esiatengi ji monitor mo Ghanaian mi hibulu anani ehuo eha the eternal. Meanwhile, a nephew of the professor says his uncle appears to have struggled with his killers before he was subdued. In fact, she neke professor name Jake Molike or Shaniji, they were good or fasi, or nake, no the yaba, and no quasani, a nake will be any back be papale, namen wala yeti, a card me, Gana Jobang, in fact, nake will be able to menu, allo metan kushonake, amefa, nake, neonake papale ekame kana to bang shonake mokomehi wale etamo na yifale he wale anokwale. Speaking to Ghana One TV, he said the body of the popular law lecturer was found in his room with blood splattered everywhere.
Wow.
Ake boni amefile ni beni amekebele nake agbenela boni kame tana to bangi wo nake lason tumi be fin hifia amekele polish wona ke be ni na bele wo isake efa ni enye enwo ikeje ameke show nake obi no na meto aka mafie no long amepa me yake amafi. We found him murdered in his house with all doors locked. Atishana ni eka china jinfe anamo china jinfe ni onake eboni ikashi. He was tied up and apparently there was blood everywhere, so we don't know whether he was stabbed. I mean afimole nila eswa hefia yo amelake kule kakla ni akebolo lo mini. I think he had a hard time where whoever did that. Eventually he was tied up, both the hands behind and his legs. Akameni batune ni we yeli ni morning na men of papa le wala ye di energy abewe se ni amefimo energy epepe. The senior lecturer of law at the University of Ghana was killed by an unknown assailant at his Adjungano home in Accra. Nege onopakpana ne ni law professor ne anokwasane me nkobeni ale ame amejimini ya tun nege ni ame mo papa le wala ye dini nege chene etun ye jen ni je Ghana University abon wole ni ameni to mo yo ni ka ke di ho wo de ka ka to
ni John Loy ni bo modern efataye Ghana university University of Ghana mention the Ghana University University of Ghana benfa ke si bo to me ke Ghana University o la papa papa lebi ina kwa chomini oh na kwa ma ba shi ma le chomini what about you
mo fe
ni ebi na ne shika mo ko ne chombi bla ne shina eti echo sisa o no ba chombi ni okay me ko me jame amawa yo another lecturer Opoku Edusei, reacting to the incident, wrote on Facebook that, folks, I had wanted not to be the breaker of such ominous news, but the cause are incessant. The world is turned evil. Professor Yao Bene of Legon Law has been murdered in JB style in his Ajurgano mansion. It appears to be an act perpetrated about 3 days ago, but it was just discovered this morning. So I can see maybe anything of a Professor Edusei Lehu in my Facebook and it can be and no question. They can't be more near person cannot no. And no question a cheap momosani wow. Ye many ya to the beginning ni be na be na gelaton aboyele jin esa efun jin kra ni na wato bang the watch Professor Bene ya Bene e bone ni ya to mon JB gbele ko pepe ya jegano ni ami anokwasande ni onaka amejami ona ma tun ne keni bi ni ba fi be tese ni te no shin na baby ni le enu he na twa kasi no be je chali no ni e di be ten de ka no juno ni akena ke asuma papa le e wala e mele o la papa e no juno ni oklopon opote ni ye anafitra ya mi ya bala kama pepe
Bishop you mo ne yani lebine ifi nya fiyo ja ke hasimebi ni neke na agba ne eserafo ke hasimebi neke agbemu ne eserafo emi ni na keshin mo frame mo life is at risk ona boni ni eyo le keje abanya na ateshi na ba resident come on noko bishop noko ben abafi ni neke professor ne ebateshi keje egbonyo ni na mi eko gbomo na egbone there's noko be abotemi o afa neke o no pe di be me ni atu neke bi ne abake amomo ami ba nakan momo na amomo ami ebabla gbomo keba. So what are we doing to prevent or to stop neke magia ni bi ne ona ni ebi ni wo fio ni wo ba wo yi alo akaba sa neke agbemene afeneke afemene no cash your to me ni abanya break into your room apoto training ni abafebu no ni asumo bishop your keju nu neke maja zwe mo yen bu okeba ejage mi ka bo fe wo ya kan na wo you na nu wo gbe moko ne tashi e ko kla lehu e ba ka kesi neke gbomo ne efeneke ni abata si na ba gembo fon ke ba habu no ni peni mi iye no ko to ye ni ne si government amla lo sane ehane asikio efe ye mami ka esebake sani ana night police ni patrol bi ni amba patrol ma efe at least akuto mi sani ana na agbene hu sani afe alarm mo femo oye ni nji o be ni nji sika nyi o ba anya na o ka fe alarm ka wo tumi sani mo femo anya fe alarm ko akashi tegi neka ni neba no nyene ablochi efe ai bijo ko present ne ke e agba ya bia ne no ale no neba the moment ne ka because you esa no nyono anyhow no akaji onye na kan la me no ne ke no prepare be police le akashi there's something somewhere there's a problem na ale heni una la meje aba jemeton ame hesitate kra ame delay kra kesi be na ata me na you rough da Ghana be ko ne wale niko ata fire service aga 999 ni neke keji telephone e machine atu emi ni beka bi ata elu tumo beka bi won ya wo telephone na meto na your fire service be rough can be mene na ka ni etu ni ejake kebale na kan ye eke na agbaba e ha me na ba ya get well dodge lo any line share mo we ke efie agabe ya because I'm feel like rough you am je gbe be olupa efe twa na your fast is be rough no asane anya fe noko ake bianto na no ne boni ma me yo moko plan anya na ya conspire with other people ne ba pay sika ake ne ke gbo mo ne mi to woni nye gbele nye ha me keke nye meni nye hu aha nye a contractor nye ni nya atwo na kamaja ni bi ye ani mini jino ni bo wase ko e ofiri la ka life ba afi ha ni obanyo ko nye mi hie ni ekola just a talking sika fi ko na ha boye wo obanyo ya no agbele destroy le crowd because moko e ha bo no kwa ke I wanted him dead when Peter Tosh talaka dead or alive. Wanted, dead or alive. Either bolo, agbele na kala bana na ke ye bejele mi do. Alu akala ba wo denche wo gbele. Mini jin ene kedi ne ke ayemami. Alu aye je. Mo fe mo ke shade ba yi. Ni mo fe mo eye mo ko de ba wale. Be ko ne hu enuma wa mo from above. Si bia na ke jo mo e ton wo nye wo gbe ma de sa no. So imagine actually there's somebody sitting down somewhere. But no you know ke kedi bala ke kun onan kun ton bo ni. E da ke mo ko professor ko ni mi wa. Ne le ni joban. No na kai the man is there to train people to become like nene lelo boni metawo. No bia na afu wala no ne ani te e ba wala te ko. No mo fe mo ke mo na ke le train no maybe ya na me nyegela me ni to ame just because I'm a walo I'm a large system me true bo mo design is an work way but no ba cho ni o ba je what that way ni what you want ke je ke ma chale bi now because my life is at risk, your life is at risk, everyone at all life is at risk. This an work way do ban ni afo ne ke maja le bi ne no agbe ona ka keto MPA le won te agbele na yema mo ne ya de ne agbele mi enye eye je ke prison podio eye ne he is still alive na kanu agbe bank manager ko ye sakumo no la won je somo Sunday 2009 tenemi yo 8 Bishop, mini enemy, no mepe, agbe temo, ekwe ba light na. Mini on the life, mini on the yole na kai. No pe yo meji, am na loe, won pa fai wa. Ni anya jaje, le ke majia, ni bi ne punafi. Ni mo femo ka oyede che, ono e wo mi se. Because te fe ten to know yo mi, ni jo ke mo ko yo jeme. Ni mo ko ba nye tisikwa ni le ba gbe lo si na, ne bo to tu emi, ne ba fe le, no ne sumo ne ya. Ide ba gbebo alo e ba ne ke tun ba mo no neto no fe no ye tun emi ne ke ya how can Bishop
olagwa
no it's an work where ni put stop to look at my child be me da jage na gbegule ba fe no koku if I know you are don in case Sunday wa bi e
olagwa ba ke pepe ano pasan if I ne ke ya to wala akewoko boma de sade ake enwanyemi wala yede ya ke bodin so wala obe no hi wale ni fa ke fa o wo fin wo na ke fa fa wo ke bi e she moni ke na wo ledin je mo ni she sa ni mo ti o shine ka ka o nte bo ba gbe no ko yo alo no hi mi she no ko yo mi ba ma mo wala odi ala ti na ba mo wala
mi le won Sunday ba le na kan Bishop
dabi
no
o na papa
no
no le Sunday ba de san o wala shi le me ko ke ken be ni mi e bele no to ke ela ko e bo so e bo yi ke no e bo e chemi yo wa ke no e bo e chemi yo wa me wo lo me kan shi na na wo ka jo ko ne ata susuma ko ni wala mele ka fi shi no nyomolo mo e konshinana we ba ko te obi ko na be ko na shishu fe no ni biblia ke wo che me ko ameton amefisha ame fe ni bi baba wo ne sa ame boya ameti shin ame nyomo wo ke na pa ka ha mo ke bi mu mene kele na ma e kele bi ya no to onko ko no ba kai mo no le ake odu chofon ni onna bi ko bi ke o shishu bi fe abache no ibi ababa ni wo ni bi ko meye atashi na baga ke o enemi fe mene no keke na gbe dabi e no mo wo e kon yi o ka ba pe ko bi ano kwasan o ko ba pe ko bi yake moko ni no mo kele ba jinye de wo bole ni de wo bole to so de lo kwa ke yo wala no hi wale do ma no wala yo ti kapi afele na kan comme fait moi son moi ni ashishin moi ni awoke hiashie shimini wo ngo ye jemini wota wo ye jen bi an ka ke wala ni ongo ye die okay sa mo no ka lo kun se no kan ale o ba no kan ale ni tiji
do ni no ko bana ba fi ni ko mo ne ba close ba ba ko
no just
na ba adesan fe ayi bona fi de ko aka happy no
ne enile na ke hale mo fa ko ni eje ke ni bi ni kasine ke jo ko adamo enile adamo ni iketun oni o no tutun wo le de enche eni minta eni ota ona bodo ndi yo dromo na ke habo ke mu dromo na ke me short ko ye mi e ya short ora papa alo mi male o ba nyo fe no mi to ma fe ma fe no to no fe she to mo bodi enche
dabi
yo disani mo fi mo ke dromo o ke do no mi shishinya no ko ni de wala ke wo no wo hishi no ko be e wala ngo na ba ngo mo ye mo de ni ba solve problem alu no ke to nchole baba dabi o ni be bi ni ano kwasande